3 years ago, we really didn't even have large language models. And now that's all we talk about. And then just a few months ago, we didn't have agents. We didn't even know we were looking for agents, but now we are. And now they're the most important thing because they're taking the power and the capability that LLMs are now giving us, and they're building around that. How do we take LLMs, but how do we integrate them into the way we work, allowing them to integrate with data, control certain functions. So it's ushering in this whole new security architecture for agents that's actually really exciting. At Red Hat, with Red Hat AI, we have all the pieces, and now it's the assembling of these pieces into a new agentic operating system that allows an enterprise organization to have full visibility, full telemetry, and full control over their future agentic architectures.